Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss about Finland Free Work Visa 2024. And I will show you step-by-step process. How to get 5 years of work permit, how to apply for Finland work visa without the help of any immigration consultant or lawyer or agent. I want to mention that Finland is currently experiencing a significant labor shortage and there is high demand of skilled and unskilled workers. You can move to Finland from India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, or any other nationality. We will discuss how to find a job in Finland and how to get an employment visa. The great news is that there is no requirement of IS or any other language test. Most job position available are unskilled and semi-skilled. So you just need basic English and there is no high education required. As per official stats in 2012, at least 70% of people in Finland can speak English. So if you move to Finland and you speak basic English, you will not have any problem. Good thing is that there is no age limit, so you can move to Finland even you are 30 or 35 or 40 or more. Let's move. In this video we are going to contents. Discuss benefits of moving to Finland. High demand jobs in Finland. How to find jobs in Finland. Top job portals. How to send CV and cover letter. Visa application fee and processing time. We will also discuss what is living cost in Finland. Most importantly, I will give you an idea how much tax you need to pay if you work in Finland. If you refer to other videos, you will find that no one will give you idea about living cost and salary after taxes. I will also guide you on how to find employer in Finland or a sponsor. What are job portal you should look as a foreign worker to find a job in Finland. I will show you how to find farmer jobs, worker jobs, factory worker jobs, cleaning jobs, skilled worker jobs, and warehouse jobs, etc. In short, we will discuss all these jobs types. Please check description. I have provided links for different job portals, tax calculator, and watch this video till the end. Before we start this video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do consider to subscribe and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. I have provided both links in description and comment box, so please click on them to join us and you can reach us in case you have any question. Let's discuss what are benefits. Benefits to move to Finland. First is application. Process is very quick and it has high approval rate as well. However, application processing time varies from application to application, but generally it will take around 10 to 30 days to get it processed. Second, Finland has one of the best education system and also home to some of best universities in world. So if you move to Finland, then your kids will get best education for free. 3. If you have family member living with you, for example, your kids and spouse or common law, etc., they can work legally in Finland. For work permit duration, I want work permit duration to mention that initially you will get 1 year multiple entry employment visa. After 1 year, you can extend your visa permit for 4 additional years. It's important to note that extension will depend your employer and your job performance. You can obtain a Finland PR or permanent residence permit when you will live in Finland continuously on a residence permit for 4 years without any interruptions. 5. With Finland visa, you can travel to Schengen area. Finland is part of Schengen area, which is union of 26 European countries, which means if you have visitor or work visa for any of these 26 countries, then you can travel all 26 countries which fall under Schengen area for free. Here you can have look at all countries which fall under Schengen area. Some of countries in list are Austria, Belgium, Germany, Denmark, Spain, Italy, Malta, Sweden, Norway, etc. Most important thing is that visa application Fee is only 80. Lastly, Finland has lower job competition and higher visa approval rates as there is huge demand for unskilled and skilled workforce, so competition is lower as compared to USA, Canada and Australia. Finland is European country and it is surrounded by Sweden, Norway and Russia. You can look at map. Here capital of Finland is Helsinki and its population is approximately 5.5 million. If you are looking for a job in Finland, then you should check out in demand jobs in Finland. There is high demand of worker in hotel and restaurant industry, kitchen helper, cook, cleaner jobs, manufacturing jobs, factory worker jobs or warehouse jobs, construction jobs, plumber, carpenters, agricultural jobs. In healthcare you can find jobs available for doctors, nurses, caregivers, dentists, pharmacists, etc. If you are skilled worker and have a skill in hand and which is in demand in Finland, for example IT jobs, computer jobs, etc., then you can also submit your application in. Transportation drivers also have a big demand. Fruit pickers, farmer workers, agricultural jobs or blueberries picker jobs are available in Finland, so you can apply if you are interested in these kinds of jobs. Before we move forward, it is important to prepare CV and cover letter to get a job and work visa in Finland. You need to have CV and cover letter in European format. If you have CV and cover letter in European format, then use it to find employer in Finland. If you do not have a CV and cover letter in European format, then I have provided a link in description which you can use to prepare CV and cover letter by yourself. If you need help to prepare your CV and cover letter, then leave a comment or you can reach me using my Instagram account. Let's discuss how to find a Finland employer, which is also known as sponsor. In other words, how to find an employer. Need to find an employer who can offer you job. Let's see how to find jobs online using different job portals so that you can find an employer who can help you to get work visa of Finland. I have provided Finland's top job portals links in description. I will show you live examples from couple of job portals. Visit this website Career Jet. Here you can find jobs by city of your preference. You can see search jobs as per your skill set. For example, I'm going to search here unskilled jobs. For example, enter here cleaner and search. You can always convert page to English. Here you can see that job for cleaner is posted only 1 day ago. Let's click here. You can read all description and details about this job. You can also read responsibilities for this opening. You can also read the resort provides accommodation in a shared room for 2,500 per month. Similarly, you can look for other jobs. Let's search here production worker. You see that this job is posted only 8 days ago. Let's click here again. You can read all description and apply for this job. Let's visit another website, Jobs Finland. Here you can find jobs by city of your preference. You can see that you can find jobs in different categories as well. For example, technology, engineering, manufacturing and construction, healthcare, blue-collar jobs, and you can sort by your preferred category as well. Let's search for welder job opening and search. Here you can see that this job was posted on October 17, 2023. Let's open this link again. Read description and responsibilities of job opening, and if you have required skills, then apply for job by clicking here. Here you can look at other job portals where you can find job openings. In Finland, these job portals are official job portal where you will find different openings. Let's discuss about minimum wages in Finland. Minimum wages in Finland and what income taxes you will be paying on your earning. There is no minimum wage in Finland. However, you can make somewhere between 7 to 14 per hour depending on nature of your work, which means you can earn around 2,600 to 4,000 per month. Again, you can earn more than this based on skill set and your job type. Let's discuss now how much tax you need to pay based on your earning. You will have to pay anywhere between 20 to 40% annually based on your earning and family income. If your salary is more than 30,000, then you will be paying close to 36% or more. Again, this will depend on your family income. You must be wondering why taxes are so high, but you need to consider that if you are paying more taxes, then you will get more facilities as well. For example, your kids will have free education. Let's discuss about expenses. What will be your expenses if you want to move to Finland? You will be paying minimum of 600 to 700 as your monthly expenses, which will include your accommodation, grocery, transportation, etc. Here I want to mention that if you work as a skilled worker, then you will be earning much more as compared to unskilled workers. Let's discuss what documents. Documents required for Finland work visa. Required for work visa of Finland. The first is job offer, then you required a work contract, visa application form, passport photographs, proof of accommodation. You also need to have travel insurance. You need to get police clearance certificate. You need to provide financial proof. Make sure you have visa fees receipt and appointment confirmation. You also need to have flight booking itineraries, so make sure you have all required documents. Here is list of steps for Finland work visa. A list of the steps you need to take when you apply for a Finland work visa. Step 1. Find a job role. Once you find a job and you have job offer. Step 2. Apply for the work permit. For that you need click here on official website and apply. I will leave in description for this website. Step 3. Visit the local mission in Finland where your documents, photographs, and fingerprints will be collected. Step 4. Wait for a response. An officer will assess your application and make final decision. Step 5. Receive resident permit, which will be valid for 1 year. And then you can arrive in Finland. I hope you guys find my videos useful. If you have any question, please leave in comment box. I will try my best to reply. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.